Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
This was my office which was closed for quite some time. So I think Lord as a party and as a minister in Tiswadi Taleigao. Okay, I am the only minister as far as Tiswadi Taleigao is. So I said let us open this office in St Cruz. Let us help these people as well. No. As far as the candidate of St Cruz constituency is concerned, it will be decided by the party. Here I am here only to serve the party's interest. It is very clear.
तुम्ही म्हणिल्लें ना हेजे पयलीं की ह्या फाटी BJP चे सीट येतले म्हणून सांगा.
No, BJP चे seat येतले, and I am confident BJP seats will come here. See, if you go to see Taleigao earlier, BJP never won in Taleigao any time. It is once we joined basically BJP. That is how BJP basically came to power in Taleigao. St Cruz Waterman till today no BJP basically seat. So let us change that trend, no? Because I want BJP seat to come here. I am working in the interest of the party. I am not a leader. I am a worker. So I am working in the interest of the party. So I feel we need to strengthen the base of the party. So as I represented this constituency back in 2012. So I have got to connect with the people. So let me serve these people as well. I am working in the interest of the party. Let me talk in very clear terms. To see that the party BJP flag flies in St Cruz this time.